function. Here is the absolute value function. The parent function for absolute value x is here is like this, is passing through 0 and 0 and 2 and 2, 1 and 1. Here is passing through negative 2 and 2 and negative 4 and 4 and so on. Here is we have a three parameter a, h and k. Here is a. If I change a like this, you see, here is a equal 2 and a equal 3 and a equal 4 and a equal 5 and so on. Here is what happened. Here is the called vertical stretch. Vertical stretch. What does it mean by vertical stretch? The V shape becomes narrow, becomes closed to Y. يبقى if A absolute value for A is greater than 1, it becomes narrow. It's called vertically stretch, and so on. If I put it by negative, what happens? Here is negative 1. Here is a negative 1 absolute value for A is 1. Okay, the same narrow. But here is the direction reflected in x-axis. The direction is reflected in x-axis if we have a negative in A reflected in x-axis. Here is if greater, here is negative 2 becomes narrow, the same. Negative 3 becomes narrow, and so on, like what I do. Here is, okay, I change it again to 1. Okay, what happens if I change h, the parameter h? Parameter h for move on x-axis like this. Move on x-axis. If I make it x minus 2, they move to the right. If I make it x minus 3, they move to 3 unit to the right, and so on. Opposite to sign. And here is top. Again, here I put it like this. What is about k? You see, k is for y, but the same side. If I set x absolute value x minus 2, here is the same side. The down, and the y move 2 unit down and the y, and so on. Here is 0, the same. 1 and 2 move up on y. Here is move up, and so on. We can combine all of them.